Is the Mollywood muddle, the Me Too cases that have taken over the entire Malayalam film industry. And now actor Jayasuriya, who has been accused for sexual misconduct, he has responded for the first time. In his statement, he says, and I quote, "To all of you who have wished me on my birthday today, to all of you who are extending your support and standing by me, thank you." He adds that due to personal commitments, his family and Jayasuriya himself, they have been in America for the past 1 month, and during this time, as he says, 2 false allegations on the grounds of sexual harassment were made against him. And in his response, he also says that it has shattered him and it has been a difficult time for his family. He's also planning to take a legal route. He says that his legal team, it will be looking after the rest of the proceedings regarding this particular case. And Ishika joins us to get us more on this. Ishika, this is the first response after all these allegations that were made. What can you tell us about this?
Well, yes, in fact, as you rightly mentioned, this is the first time that actor Jayasuriya, in fact, has come out with his statement after all of those allegations of sexual assault were made against him. Now, remember that, in fact, the FIR in both of these cases have been registered. These cases were filed by 2 actors who, in fact, have worked here in the Malayalam film industry. And now Jayasuriya, in fact, issuing the statement saying that these allegations are completely false and that he would be taking the legal route to fight this. So certainly now, he has called all of these allegations false, but the SIT, on the other hand, remember, is already investigating both of these cases. So certainly it depends a lot on the investigation. But let me tell you, on the other hand, what we are also seeing is that another, actor, Manapalla Raju, in fact, has also approached the Ernakulam Sessions Court for, for seeking an anticipatory bail. And in fact, the matter is going to be heard in some days, that is on September 6th. So certainly that is also something that we'll have to wait and watch, because now these, these Mollywood heavyweights against whom these allegations have been made, they are now coming out and saying that these are false allegations, and now all of them are saying that they will be fighting it legally. So a lot now depends on the investigation and how it proceeds. Over to you.